Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are having another nail show where we just chat and paint our nails. And here's how my nails look like with no product. I wanted to share this with you because my nails are growing out and I will do updated version of that video, like update video. And I'm so sorry if you can hear a dog barking. It's my neighbor's dog and there is nothing I can do about it. For some reason he loves to bark whenever I try to film a voiceover, and I really don't know what to do. But anyways, I am painting my nails with a base coat first. It's a first step and I never skip my base coat. You will notice in my videos that I never ever skip a base coat, because not only does prevent your nails from staining and yellowing, it actually makes a great base for your manicure to lay on top, so it makes your manicure stay on longer. I'm actually going to apply this nail polish by Essence Cosmetics called More Than a Feeling, and I will have it in description box below, all written and everything. I always have everything in description box, so please check it out. But this color is so beautiful. It's like, oh my god, it looks so pretty on short or even long nails as well. It's such a rich color. It's so beautiful. It glides on so nicely and I love it. But speaking about description boxes, I wanted to let you guys know that I made a new Instagram page where you can follow me and we can stay connected. I'm going to have it here on screen. My username is amgirlyouDon'tKnow. I will have it linked in the description box as well, so you can click and follow me if you want to. I would be so grateful, because I'm starting from zero and I wanted that fresh vibes and fresh energy, and I just really wanted us to be connected. So that's the reason I made it, and there you can see behind the scenes things, and you can see everything, you can see announcements being like the video will be up soon or video is up on my stories and things like that. So if you're interested, please follow me if you have Instagram page. And I want to send you good vibes, because today's world is so in speed. Everything is at such a speed and pace that we rarely stop and look, and it's such a shame because there is so much to look at. There is beautiful skies and there is beautiful sunsets and beautiful flowers. There is so much to see. I think that we should all try and notice more beautiful little things around us, because that is what makes a life a little bit better. And yeah, while I'm applying my nail polish, I always talk about something, and it's so refreshing and so nice to know that people are actually listening and that you guys are actually here. And I'm so happy that we have this amazing community here on my YouTube channel. It's so good to see so many people who want to stay connected and who actually hear me. Like, you literally hear me from whole another world. Like, I'm miles and miles away from where you are, and it's such an amazing feeling that I have made friends all over the world. And yes, I consider you friends, not just my subscribers, because I'm so grateful that you're here, and I'm glad that I can provide you something that you like watching and something that is useful for you, but also I can get my voice heard and I can talk with you and we can connect and share our ideas and our thoughts and everything like that. So if you have anything, let me know what you think in the description box below, because I love hearing your feedback. I always reply to my comments. And also, if you're new, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, my new page. Everything will be linked in the description box below. I hope you liked this video. I really loved it. I love this color. I love how it looks. Even with no top coat, it's still as shiny. So yeah, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk with you in my other video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!